Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a central topic for self-employed individuals, the self-employed tax credit, or for abbreviation SETC. This credit can be a game changer for freelancers, consultants, and business owners who want to maximize their tax savings. Stick around because I'm breaking down who qualifies, how to claim it, and how I could personally help you benefit from it with a new processing service I partner with. All right, so what exactly is the self-employed tax credit or the SETC? Well, the SETC is a tax provision designed to help self-employed people reduce their tax burden. If you're self-employed, you pay both the employer and the employee portions of the Social Security and Medicare taxes. It totals about 15.3%. This tax credit allows you to deduct a portion of those payments, essentially giving you a tax break to make up for covering both sides of these taxes. This credit can lower your overall taxable income. So you end up paying less tax on your earnings. And if you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or anyone who runs their own gig, understanding that SETC can make a huge difference in your tax savings. So who can claim the SETC? Well, the credit applies to self-employed individuals, which includes freelancers, sole proprietors, independent contractors, and small business owners. Even if you have a side hustle, you may qualify for the SETC. It doesn't matter if you're set up as a sole proprietor, a single member LLC, or even if you're an S Corp shareholder paying self-employment taxes, you can still benefit. One key point is that the SETC is non-refundable, meaning it only reduces what you owe. It won't give you a refund if your tax liability is zero, but it's still a valuable tool to keep more of your earnings in your pocket. Now let's look at how this tax credit lowers what you owe. Here's how it works. When you're self-employed, you pay a 15.3% self-employment tax, which includes the 12.4% for Social Security and the 2.9% for Medicare. With the SETC, you can deduct half of this tax as an above-the-line deduction. That means it's subtracted directly from your adjusted gross income, reducing the total income that's subject to tax. Let's say your net income is $50,000 and your self-employment tax would be around $7,650. Thanks to the SETC, you can deduct half of that, about $3,825 from your taxable income. This deduction can lead to significant savings when tax season rolls around, and I'm here to make sure that process is smoother. The SETC is a powerful tool, but there are deductions a self-employed individuals can use to lower their taxes even more. You've got your home office deduction, where you can deduct part of your rent or mortgage if you work from home. You can also deduct health insurance premiums, retirement contributions, and a range of business expenses like equipment, travel, and even certain meals. Consider the retirement deductions. For example, a solo 401k or an SEP IRA not only builds your retirement savings, but also directly reduces your taxable income. These deductions combined with the SETC can add up, potentially saving you thousands in taxes. All right, here's how you can claim the SETC. You'll need to file a Schedule SE to calculate your total self-employment tax. From there, you'll can deduct half of that tax on your Form 1040 as an above-the-line deduction, which doesn't require you to itemize. Keeping accurate records of your income and expenses throughout the year is essential here. Not only does it simplify the tax filing process, but it also ensures that if the IRS asks any questions, you've got it covered should an audit arise. Here's some exciting news. I've recently partnered with an expert to offer personalized assistance with this self-employed tax credit. We're here to make sure you're maximizing your savings with this credit while also ensuring everything is processed smoothly. If the idea of handling all this paperwork and figuring out your eligibility feels overwhelming, we can go ahead and step in and give you a hand with this. And that's it. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this breakdown of the self-employed tax credit was helpful. If you're self-employed and want to maximize your tax savings, don't hesitate to reach out. Go ahead and drop a comment or DM me the word tax help, and my team and I will get back to you with details on how we can assist. I will also be dropping a link in the description that you can click on so we can get started with helping you out on this as well. If you found value here, please hit that like button. It goes a long way. Subscribe for more tax, funding, and credit tips. and share this with any other self-employed people that you might know. And until then, I'll see you next time.